Hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin. uh, Bitcoin or BTC. BTC is currently at the $55,000 level. And today we are going to be looking at what is the weekly open and what we probably should expect for this week right here for Bitcoin. And so for Bitcoin, as you can see in the last 1 week, down about 12.7%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So currently we are right here on the chart for Bitcoin versus the USD Theta. We're on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And like we love to do, we have drawn all our support and resistance levels. Basically, we have drawn them, and as you can see, we have been respecting them, and we have just seen the weekly candle open. Now, what does the weekly candle open, right? Opening below this level does not sound very good. It sure looks like we are coming back to retest that $52,000 level right here for BTCs, right? So with a very high likelihood, we could see a retest right here back of this level right here of the $52,000 to $53,000 level right here for Bitcoin. Before we see any sort of reversal to the upside. If we basically look at the volume profile, the volume profile is still a bit bearish, right? We are still seeing massive selling price action happening right here on the weekly, which means we could still see one more little downside towards this $53,000 level. Meanwhile, during this week, we should expect this is quite a very hot week in the basically the financial market. We have CPI right there on Thursday. That's in the US, core CPI month to month, and then we have core PPI on Friday, right? So basically, we could just see prices push to this downside, and towards the end of the week, we could see some consolidation, especially when the news as regards the PPI and the CPI coming out in the United States. That usually affects the market, and so we could see some huge bounce with that news coming in right here on Thursday, right here CPI, the monthly CPI, and on Friday. So that is something you should take note of. Meanwhile, just based on the weekly open, we should expect a push towards these $52,000 a level before we see any sort of bounce. All right, so that's the update basically right here on BTC at the moment. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.